Namaskar. Today we will study the mycobacterial cellular synthesis and the drugs inhibiting mycobacterial cellular synthesis. So the mycobacterial cell wall, if you see, the constituents of mycobacterial cell wall are mycolic acid, arabinogalactan, okay, and peptidoglycan is there. So this mycolic acid and arabinogalactan combined together is known as glycolipid, and this complex is your glycolipid peptidoglycan complex. Your cell wall is your glycolipid and peptidoglycan complex, or mycolic acid, arabinogalactan and peptidoglycan complex, MAGP complex. So how this synthesis occurs, this mycobacterial cell wall synthesis occurs. So the mycobacterial fatty acid synthase 1 enzyme system produces these saturated fatty acid chains of 16 and 24 carbon atoms. Then the fatty acid synthase 2 system of enzymes act to produce mycolic acid chains of up to 56 carbons. Then arabinogalactan acts here, so mycolic acid is esterified with this arabinogalactan. So mycolic acid esterification leads to production of glycolipid, and this arabinogalactan is produced from beta D arabinofuranosyl 1 monophosphoryl decaprenyl, and the enzyme involved here is your arabinosyl transferase. So now this glycolipid then binds with your mucopeptide or peptidoglycan to form this peptidoglycan or glycolipid complex, or mycolic acid arabinogalactan AG peptidoglycan complex. This is nothing but your mycobacterial cell wall. So how we can inhibit the mycobacterial synthesis? So all these drugs like your antibacterial drugs like your Isoniazid, Pyrazinamide, ethambutol, all these drugs act. So here these mycobacterial fatty acid synthase 1 system is inhibited by drug like pyrazinamide. Pyrazinamide inhibits fatty acid synthase 1 enzyme system, and Isoniazid inhibits your fatty acid 2 enzyme system, Isoniazid or isonicotinic acid hydrazide. Then this arabinosyl transferase is inhibited by ethambutol. So in this way the mycobacterial cell wall synthesis is inhibited by these 3 drugs. So these 3 antitubercular drugs inhibit mycobacterial cell wall synthesis. Pyrazinamide inhibits fatty acid synthase 1 enzyme system. Isoniazid inhibits fatty acid synthase 2 enzyme system, and ethambutol inhibits the synthesis of arabinogalactan by inhibiting arabinosyl transferase. So this is all about mycobacterial cell wall synthesis and the drugs inhibiting mycobacterial cell wall synthesis. Thank you.